Well, hello there. Come along with me. Let's make some collard greens. Can't wait to pick these. Beautiful. So fresh, ready to eat. And a little spinach. Yes. Put that spinach in. Beautiful greens. Time to wash them and clean them up. While the greens are soaking, it's time to get the plantains in the oven. Take all the skins off, and then I split them into the sizes that I want. Wash them up. You can use the ripened plantain, the yellow ones, but with this dish I prefer the green ones because they're crunchier. Put a little bit of olive oil on there. And then put them on a sheet pan and dump them in the oven to be roasted. These are young collard greens, so you can just slice them into small pieces to help it cook faster. They are not like the older ones where you have to cook them for hours. Time to put all the veggies in the palm oil. I've got tomatoes, onions, all types of herbs in there. Some jalapeno peppers, serrano peppers, a mixture of peppers. Time to put in the greens, all nice and fresh. Make sure you don't overcook your greens. See how it all wilts down so fast. The plantains are nicely roasted and ready. Yes. Time to dish it out. Oh, it looks so good, doesn't it? Look at that freshness over there. And a piece of koobi or salted fish right there. Bon appetit! Ooh, it's hot. Good eats. Delicious.